dream of a world where there is an open communication from both parents and children, powered by love and gentle curiosity. Use curiosity as a way to drive empathy in building a healthier relationship with your parents. It may not be a perfect one, but it can be better. If it doesn't immediately feel as if the relationship is getting better externally, it is okay to start from within. Start by changing your perspective and approach towards your parents. With gentle curiosity, focus on the why of their actions. Human as we are, we each have our own struggles. People who hurt tend to hurt other people, but it is much more painful to be the person than it is to be with them. While this does not validate the hurtful words or actions, this is a great way to start being compassionate toward other people and yourself. A little bit of compassion and empathy go a long way. Know that there is no such thing as a perfect family, but it is possible to have a real loving and compassionate dynamic between the family. Remember this today. It starts from within. Have gentle curiosity for yourself and others.